Hello everyone, welcome back to another session by SSB Crack Exams. So myself Drishti Goyal and I am your SSB mentor. So today in this particular session we are going to discuss about conference. Right, so सबको पता है कि SSB is a 5-day process and we prepare since very first day till the last day, but we forgot to prepare for the conference, right? So in this particular session I'll give you 7 tips to handle your conference in a very beautiful manner which will lead to the recommendation. ओके सो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कि एसएसबी कॉन्फ्रेंस है क्या. जो रिपीटर्स हैं उनको ऑलरेडी मालूम है, जो फ्रेशर्स हैं उनके लिए बता देती हूँ. सो देयर इज अ 5-day प्रोसेस, यू ऑल नो राइट, starting from your screening, your psych test, your interview, your GTU, and the 5th day or the last day of your SSB before your result, you will be seated in front of all of your assessors and they will be in their uniform, right? So आपको बीच में बिठा दिया जाएगा ऐसा U shape में. There will be all the assessors sitting and here you will be sitting, right? So this will be your conference hall and there your conference will take place, and it depends upon candidate to candidate. It can go from 10 minutes or 2 minutes to even 30 minutes or 40 minutes also, right? So generally it is believed that who is a clear cut yes or a clear cut no, their conference goes for 2 to 3 minutes, but who is a doubtful case, their conference might be a little bit longer. Okay. सो कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए प्रिपरेशन करके जाना या फिर कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए क्या चीजें आपको माइंड में रखनी चाहिए उसके बारे में हम आज कवर करेंगे, बिकॉज कॉन्फ्रेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट कैरीज इक्वल वेटेज as that of your other task in the stage 2. Okay, also in conference there will be different type of questions which can be asked, so I'll also cover a session related to different questions asked in conference so that you can prepare them as well beforehand, and it will be giving you an upper edge in your conference. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the points and keep these things in mind. Also, make sure and remember that you have to wear the formals in your conference. So be ready with that as well. And also carry proper clothing for all the 5-day process. So अभी बात करते हैं 7 ऐसे tips की which will help you handle the conference in a very beautiful manner. So first and the foremost thing is to keep the smiling face, right? अभी क्या होता है ना, जनरली व्हेन वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द कॉन्फ्रेंस इन सो लॉन्ग वी गेट बोर्ड, वी गेट डल, and we are also a little bit nervous that how we will be facing all the assessors at one go. But keep smiling, and keeping a smile over your face during the conference will definitely give you and boost your confidence. Don't get into any kind of stress. All the assessors are there to conduct a short questioning drill. So there might be chances that where they will be even grilling you, है ना, कुछ questions थोड़ा deep में भी पूछ सकते हैं. So you have to answer those questions in a simple and a mannered way by keeping your cool and calm and smiling a bit. Okay. बी क्लियर इन वॉट यू आर आंसरिंग. हमेशा याद रखो कि आपको क्लियरली आंसर करना है, बी इट योर कॉन्फ्रेंस और इवन योर इंटरव्यू. when you will beat around the bush, it is going to take a very big hit to your conference. ठीक है. So during the conference, a candidate can be asked questions by any of the assessors. कोई भी assessor आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, बट आपको पहले से बता दिया जाएगा that the assessor in front of whom a flag will be kept, that assessor will going to talk to you. ठीक है. तो you have to answer by looking at him only. ठीक है. You need to look at him, you need to answer to the question very specifically and you should not look puzzled. ठीक है. बहुत क्लियरली आपका कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आंसर रहना चाहिए. देन डोंट क्रिटिसाइज द एसएसबी. कभी कभी आपसे सजेशन के लिए पूछ लिया जाएगा या फिर कुछ भी डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग द एसएसबी सेंटर कैन ऑल्सो बी आस्क्ड. So normally the candidates are asked about any suggestion or changing the SSB testing criteria. ऐसा पूछ लेते हैं कि आपको क्या लगता है कि जो अभी SSB चल रहा है, is it good process or we need to amend it? So don't try to give suggestion regarding the amendment of the process. You have to stay away from showing smartness by pointing mistakes or suggesting any change in the SSB process. Okay. The SSB testing is framed perfectly by highly experienced and qualified people. You cannot point out error in testing pattern. Your criticism shows your non-adjustability. Also, when you know that the process is not just, then why are you coming for giving the interview, right? So you have to trust the process in which you are going to be tested, and you should not come up with any question mark against the process. Okay. Now avoid asking any questions or giving suggestions. Now they will also ask you suggestions, or if you have any question regarding the SSB board, ठीक है, जिस बोर्ड में आपकी टेस्टिंग हो रही है. So if you want to conclude your conference in a polite and stable manner, then avoid asking any question or suggesting anything. क्योंकि अगर आप कुछ सजेस्ट करोगे, there will be multiple questions coming in front and then you have to give answer to them as well. But अगर आपको कोई genuine concern है, then definitely you can ask, but avoid asking, sir, how was my performance, do you think I'll get recommended or not. Don't try to ask these type of questions. Okay, your suggestion on your question will successively raise more questions and cross questioning can take place as well. ठीक है, तो be sure of what you are asking in case you are asking, otherwise you can simply avoid it. Then maintain posture. ठीक है, it's a very good sign that when you are in a good posture, it shows your confidence. So maintain your posture and keep your body relaxed. ठीक है, ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि you are very stiff and you are sitting like a robot. No, you should be like firm and relaxed, right? But don't lose your posture. Don't rotate here and there or do some non-verbal gestures which are going to be very negative in your performance. Then avoid shaking your legs or shivering or walk in a gentle way and sit straight on the chair. तो ये बेसिक चीजें आपको याद रखनी है बिकॉज आप इनको इंटरव्यू के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करोगे. सो आई गेस इट इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल इन योर कॉन्फ्रेंस एज वेल. Then prepare unprepared questions. See, there is a myth actually. It's not 100% true, but in some cases it might. So there is a saying that when you are not able to answer questions in the conference, so in the interview, there can be chances that those questions can be asked in your conference. So ऐसा believe करते कि better you prepare those questions which you are not able to answer in the interview. ठीक है, तो अगर prepare करके जाओगे आपको भी ज्यादा confidence रहेगा, तो better है कि आप prepare करके जाओ. ठीक है. So many times it is observed that questions that were asked by the IO in the interview are not replied by the candidates and were asked again in the conference. अभी ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, but हो सकता है. ठीक है. So it is general way to check how you are dedicated towards overcoming your failures. Then follow the instructions. Last and the most important point, see in your SSB center, instructions are the utmost thing. And when you are following the instructions, 50% of work is already done. So make sure you're following all the instructions given before your conference. So they'll tell you where to sit, where to wait, what to do while going into the conference hall, where to stand, how to greet, whom will be talking to you. So everything will be told clear cut before you will go inside the conference hall. So make sure you are following the instructions, looking at the board on above you to see your test number and go inside very confidently, answer the questions and come back stronger. So I hope this is a very helpful session for you, and now you will be able to take your conference in a very confident manner and definitely going to get recommended. All the very best. And if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB, you can definitely enroll to our SSB online course, which will include all the things which is required for your recommendation. You can also you can enroll for other written examination, be it your NDA, CDS, AFCAT, or any other written exam, and you can apply the code Warrior10 for extra 10% discount on all the courses and test series. And if you have your SSB in the upcoming time, all the very best. Prepare well. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और SSB इंटरव्यू, NDA, CDS, FCAT जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो आप SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.